you. Now, public speaking, personal branding, we got to understand how much content we need to create on a daily basis, which all platforms we need to use, how much content should go on every platform. All that information should be provided to us. The first thing that all of us need to understand is it is never about you. Read it, ladies and gentlemen, get it into your head, get it into your mind. You need to be completely aware about this. It is never about you. It is always about the audience. And therefore, see, one thing all of us now are aware about, one thing all of us now know, that we need to get some selling done in order to create revenue for us. Is that right? Everybody, you need to sell something or the other in order to generate some sort of revenue for you, in order to create some monetary results for you. Yes, everyone, type yes if you agree to that. And you have understood that, because that's like a reality. So to sell something or the other, you don't need to promote your work. What you actually need to do is you actually need to educate people, because when you educate people, then you would be able to actually market yourself. Now, what do we do when we create content in front of people? We are providing information to people, we are guiding people, we are giving them some helpful content, we are providing them with some helpful information. And that is why people get to know about you. And then predominantly, whenever you give them something, they buy from you. I was also reading a book. Okay. I was also reading a book. And what that book suggested us was you need to market a lot. We were already doing that. And I realized what the book said is you need to market yourself a lot, because when you market yourself a lot, when you get in front of people repeatedly, when you get your content in front of people on a regular basis, what's going to happen because of that is people would realize that we should actually buy from this person, because nobody has ever marketed so much to me. How do you market? You reach out to people through messages, through emailers, through your video content, by sending them regular information, whichever format. But you need to be in front of people. You need to understand it is never about you. It is always about the audience. For example, I keep studying, and now you would also see a little bit of change on my content, the way I use content, especially in my Reels video. The format would be a little different for some of the videos. Why? I'm examining what sort of content will get the engagement from audience, because it is not about what I like, it is about what the audience is going to consume more. Now, does that mean that you start creating content that is beyond your niche? No, because you are creating content for the long term perspective. That's what we need to understand. But the bottom line over here is it is never about you as an individual. It is always about the customer. It is always about the people. Is that clear with everybody? Type yes, ladies and gentlemen, if that is. Everyone. Good. So we have that clarity. It's not about us. It's always and always about people. By the way, how many of you also attended Saurabh's session yesterday? Great. So nice. So many of you were there. Amazing session. Brilliant. You know what, Arun? You know what, Roshni? You know what? So many of you people over here. I remember when we did the first session at IIM Sirmaur. So we were going to a particular place. And in between there was IIM Sirmaur. So we stayed at IIM Sirmaur and we conducted a session. It was not an official session. You know how many people attended that particular event? I remembered it today morning. So I thought about sharing it with you. One person attended that session at IIM Sirmaur, and he still spoke for 4 hours, even though there was just one person attending that session. Now we have thousands of people who pay money to attend the session. That session was free. You see, it's not about you. It's never about you. It is always about people. If there is one person, and we were not even recording it, otherwise we could have used it later on. But if you even have one person listening to you, you always got to give your best shot. I guess all of you who go live on Instagram, who don't get a lot of audience, now you understand the value of doing it. I'm not kidding you. Each and every word that I told you is right. The person who actually did the session, arranged the session, his name was Ganesh Borude, and it was Ganesh who was attending the session. Nobody else was interested. So you need to understand and you need to go all in. Now, let's talk about personal branding first. Number one, know what you are going to speak. Know what you are going to speak. This clarity has to be there. That is why I say to you, always have your niche figured out. आप किस कंटेंट के बारे में बोलना चाहते हैं, आप कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों को देना चाहते हैं, आप कौन सा गाइडेंस लोगों को देना चाहते हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो अवेयरनेस बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है आपके पास आना. Know what you are going to speak upon. So just like I've told you, what I have done is, if you would have noticed, if you also saw my video yesterday that I uploaded on my Instagram reels, most of the times I told people, and it is written there, sales mentor, sales mentor, sales mentor Rahul Bhatnagar, because that is how I want my positioning to be. And that's exactly what is going to be written everywhere. So that's important. The next thing, just like I told you, is selling is a must. And how do you sell people? You sell people by educating them first. Okay, now let's understand. Irrespective of whichever industry, whichever domain, whichever niche you are a part of, do you understand that education can be done with everything? Even with an entertaining video, you can educate people. I'll give you an example. Supposedly, you are a travel blogger. You can educate people about various places, what sort of food to expect, what kind of clothes you should wear, what is the temperature that you're going to face, how people are there, what all rules you need to follow, what all local rules are there, how the locals perceive outsiders to be. You can be aware about almost everything before you go to a particular place. I'll give a very simple example. When I traveled to Singapore and Malaysia for the very first time, what happened was I used to speak really fast, like I'm doing right now. But if you will see me interacting with somebody outside India, particularly people from Singapore and Malaysia, what I will do is I will reduce the number of words that I speak in a minute. Let me repeat, I will reduce the number of words that I will speak in a minute so that they are able to follow me. I remember meeting my first client in Malaysia and I was speaking so very fast. She was like, whoa, wait. Okay, can you just tell me one more time? And then I realized I'm going really fast. So as a travel blogger, you can educate people before you tell them to become a part of your community or to help you with something or to follow you on social media. Educating people is a must. आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री से हैं, आप किसी भी निश से हैं, आप लोगों को एजुकेट कर सकते हैं, आप लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं, आप लोगों को गाइडेंस दे सकते हैं. अगर आप देखोगे इंटरनेट पे सबसे ज्यादा रेवेन्यू कमाने वाला बंदा वही रहेगा जो कि लोगों को एजुकेट कर रहा है किसी ना किसी सेक्टर में. ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप बिल्कुल ही अलग लेवल पे चले जाते हो कि आपके 15 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो जाते हैं, 20 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो जाते हैं, दैट्स लाइक दैट हैपेंस विद 0.00001% people. You get that? And it's like a very time taking process. Of course, we are ready to put in time and efforts, but then that is going to take a lot of time. So what we need to understand is educate people first so that people start watching your content. How many of you have now realized that educating people is the best way of marketing? Type yes if you agree to this. Educating people is the best form of marketing. Yes or no? You educate people, you give them the content, you give them the clarity, you help them, you solve their problems, you provide them with something helpful. And that is exactly what you got to do. You don't need to do a lot of things. Now, one more thing. If you are educating people, should you not promote yourself? Of course you should. What I do is I make videos wherein I can put in a lot of information within 1 minute, and then I run that as an advertisement on Instagram. Because if my content is good, I need to find out ways to reach out to more people. Everybody does that. And we are going to learn more about that today. Okay. So educate people through your content, help them, keep them waiting so that they should wait. They should want to learn from you. They should learn something from you every time. That's important. Somebody says how to know that you are adding value by taking feedback from people. And believe me, once you continue posting the content, you will get to know. People will say that we are thankful to you. That's important. Now, how do you educate people? Social media is your platform, is your window to educate people. And this is exactly how you need to create your content. First of all, let's talk about Instagram. The rule for Instagram, IGTV. You know what IGTV is? Longer videos. जो videos 1 minute से ज़्यादा लंबे होते हैं, उनको IGTV बोला जाता है. यहाँ पे जो आपका फॉर्मेट रहेगा, it's going to be 1 in 3. 1 in 3. ओके, 1 in 3 का मतलब क्या हुआ? आपका हर 3 दिन में आपका एक IGTV वीडियो डलना चाहिए. Please note it down. IGTV is 1 video in every 3 days. एंड एक चीज और है, अभी मैं आपको सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के बारे में बताने वाला हूं. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, जो आपका कंटेंट है, आपके कंटेंट को आपको लोगों के पास तक कैसे पहुंचाना है. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई योर कंटेंट, आप एक पीस ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हैं, देन मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म्स. एवरीबॉडी नोज दैट नाउ, राइट? हाउ डू यू डुप्लीकेट योर कंटेंट? वी लर्न दैट ड्यूरिंग द 2 days वर्कशॉप. आपको उसका रिप्ले भी दिया जा चुका है बहुत दिन पहले. Everybody knows that? Type yes if you do. IGTV length is longer than 1 minute, less than 15 minutes. Longer than 1 minute, less than 15 minutes if you are uploading it from your phone. अगर आप लैपटॉप से अपलोड करते हैं तो gradually you would also be given the permission to post longer videos. Got that? Good. Now IGTV is 1 in 3. Next, let's talk about a story. Now this is 1 in 4. What do you think 4 here stands for? 1 in 4, जो आपको अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरीज डालनी है. Good. So 1 in 4 here stands for 4 hours. See what happens is, जब आप रेगुलरली स्टोरीज डालते हैं तब आपकी स्टोरीज लोगों के सामने सबसे ऊपर आ जाती हैं. That's the reason why I upload a lot of stories on a regular basis. And this is what I'm going to tell you also. Post your stories, one story every 4 hours, because when you're going to do that, then what's going to happen is आपकी स्टोरी लोगों के सामने रहेगी and the viewership of your stories will automatically go up. I didn't know it some time back, but then when I started doing it, it always helps. That's the reason why. And so many of you have said this to me so many times that sir, हम जब भी content open करते हैं, जब भी Instagram open करते हैं, हमको सबसे पहले आप ही का content दिखता है. The reason why that happens is because I post my stories as well as my content on a regular basis. Now, when you post content, I'm not talking about stories, okay? When you post content on a regular basis, what's going to happen is आपका नंबर ऑफ लाइक्स एंड कमेंट्स जो हैं वो कम हो जाएंगे इंडिविजुअल पोस्ट पे. अगर आप एक दिन में 3-4 बार पोस्ट करते हैं तो इंडिविजुअल पोस्ट में आपके लाइक एंड कमेंट्स कम हो जाएंगे, पर क्यूमुलेटिवली आपके लाइक्स एंड कमेंट्स ज्यादा रहेंगे, बहुत ज्यादा. गॉट इट? दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ये आपको फिगर आउट करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. गॉट दैट? डोंट वरी. See, our motive is to educate more people. Our motive is to inspire more people. Our motive is to create content for the long term. Our motive is to generate revenue from our content. Our motive is to bring about a substantial change in people's life. And that's what is very important. It does not matter आपके पास less experience है या more experience है. अगर आप में से हर बंदा यहाँ पे है, आपने मेरे संग 18 hours spend करे थे 2 दिन की वर्कशॉप में सर. उन 18 आवर्स में आपके संग हमने इतने सारे टॉपिक्स क्रिएट करे हैं कि आप मिनिमम 150 से ज्यादा पीसेस ऑफ कंटेंट उसी से ही क्रिएट कर सकते हो. सो डोंट से दैट आई डोंट हैव कंटेंट. यू हैव इनफ ऑफ कंटेंट अवेलेबल. आई हैव गिवन यू सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट देयर. एंड अगर आपको ये भी लगता है कि आपके पास कंटेंट की कमी है, देन आल्सो बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन मास्टरी. इन कम्युनिकेशन मास्टरी वी हैव अबाउट 450 आवर्स ऑफ कंटेंट. So that automatically means कि आपके पास almost 1000 से ज्यादा वीडियोस का कंटेंट वहां पे दिया हुआ है हमने. What more can we do? You get that? Yes, Nalin, and plus the content that I post on my social media. So इतना सारा कंटेंट आपके पास है जो कि खत्म ही नहीं हो सकता. Understand? आपके लिए है कि आप उसमें से मेहनत करके टॉपिक्स लिखो, चूज करो एंड फिर शेयर करो लोगों के साथ. This is what Neha says. We have infinite content, all thanks to you, sir. Good. From today's session also, you will get a lot of content. Now implement it and share it with people. Got it? Next. Reels. Reels is 1 in 1. You need to post one video in the reel section of Instagram daily. It hardly takes 25 to 30 seconds. अगर आपको एडिट नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना, no problem. Take out your phone, record your video, upload it. Take out your phone, record your video and upload it. Very important. You got that? Reels is 1 in 1. Now, do you understand what is a carousel post? Okay, somebody says reel is not available in my nation. Maybe you're from Nepal. हो सकता है नेपाल में अभी उन्होंने स्टार्ट नहीं करा होगा, बट इट विल गेट स्टार्टेड इन सम टाइम. ओके, राइट. सो carousel is combination of photos, जिसमें कि मल्टीपल फोटोज हम लोग डाल के रखते हैं वहां पे, मल्टीपल इमेजेस. दिस इज 1 in 3. On every third day, upload a video, upload a carousel post. 1 in 3. Okay, note it down, everyone. And don't worry, मैं आपको ये PDF भी अपलोड करके दे दूंगा प्रोग्राम के अंदर, so that आप जब चाहो तब उसको देख सको. Got that? Good. Let's talk about a video. Now, what is the difference between this video and an IGTV video? IGTV are videos that are longer than 1 minute. This video is which is less than 1 minute. So this should go every 2 days. One video every 2 days. So you can put on every alternate day, you can put a video. Got it? 1 and 2. Let's talk about an image. Image is 1 and 1, ladies and gentlemen. One image daily needs to be put. One image needs to be put on a daily basis on your Instagram. अभी देखो, मैं एक चीज और आप लोग से बात करना चाहता हूँ. आप लोग को ये समझना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होगा कि यार राहुल हमको बोल रहा है इतना ज्यादा कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए, कंटेंट तो क्रिएट करूंगा, व्हाट इज द लॉन्ग टर्म विजन एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सी, content creation without monetization is not worth it. Maybe you are not monetizing it today, you are not monetizing it, लेकिन ग्रेजुअली आप मोनेटाइज करोगे. आपके पास आपका मोनेटाइजेशन प्लान होना चाहिए. मैं एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बताता हूँ. आपको पता होगा हमारे जितने भी ट्रांजैक्शंस हैं वो डिजिटल होते हैं, राइट? When people enroll, when people enroll to our programs, buy our softwares, all of that is a digital transaction. They use their debit card or their credit card to do that. I made a video for a brand very recently, and जो मेरा देहरादून में घर है, हमने वो वाला एड्रेस दिया था उनको, उन्होंने वहां पे चेक भेजा है घर पे, एंड वो चेक था 1,73,000 रुपीज का. एंड दैट वाज टू क्रिएट वन वीडियो फॉर अ ब्रांड. एक वीडियो हमने बनाया था एक ब्रांड के लिए, IGTV पे जो डाला हुआ है, उसके लिए 1,73,000 was paid to us. My parents were very happy seeing that particular check, because जब हम शुरू में वीडियोस बनाते रहते थे तो घर वालों को भी लगता था ना, अरे क्या कर रहे हैं, खाली काम है, बेकार का काम है, how is this going to get them anything? And I also liked it because I don't know when was the last time I actually received a check. मेरे को पता भी नहीं था. अभी तक सब पेमेंट डिजिटल होता था, डिजिटली अकाउंट में आ जाता था. इट वाज अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू, इतने साल पढ़ाई करने के बाद, इतने पैसे लगाने के बाद, इतना टाइम लगाने के बाद, इतने समय तक नौकरी करने के बाद जाके जो सैलरीज हम लोगों को मिलती है एक महीने में, you need to understand that you would be able to get the same amount of returns. Thank you. You would be able to get the same amount of return, the same amount of money in the future by providing just one piece of content on the internet. Of course, that's going to happen for everybody who follows the exact pattern. समझ में आई आपको चीज? But 1 महीना कंटेंट डाल के, 2 महीना कंटेंट डाल के डिमोटिवेटेड नहीं होना है. अगर आप मुझसे पूछो ना, मुझसे बेयर मिनिमम आई वुड लाइक टू से, आप अगर एक अपने बीटेक की शुरुआत करते हो, आप बीटेक की पढ़ाई करते हो, स्कूल तो चलो मैंने बोला स्कूल एजुकेशन तो कर ही लिया, बीटेक की पढ़ाई आपने करी, यू डिड बीटेक, यू डिड एमटेक अलोंग विद इट, एंड देन यू स्टार्टेड डूइंग सम वर्क, समथिंग एल्स, राइट? Supposedly you start earning that month. How much time do you think it is going to take to reach to 2 lakh rupees per month? Starting from the first day of your BTech. बताइए. Somebody says 8 to 10 years. 4 years में कैसे होगा यार? 4 साल में तो तेरा बीटेक भी कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, 12 years, 7 to 8 years, 9 years, 5 years. So the bare minimum, right? Bare minimum, what I would say, every उम्र निकल जाती है इंडिया में, I agree with you. मेरे को जो लगता है bare minimum 7 years तो रहेगा हमारा काम यार. 7 साल तो रहेगा ना, मान के चलते हो इस चीज को. इतना टाइम तो लगेगा बीटेक करने के बाद, जॉब करने के बाद, कोई भी चीज करने के. This is the least that we can expect, all of us. Now my question to you is, why don't you give the same amount of time to your digital journey? हाँ, अगर आप एक अच्छे कॉलेज से कर रहे हो तभी पॉसिबल होगा. Why don't you give 7 years to your digital journey? Give it 7 years. No, here you are not spending so much of money as you are on your BTech. Time frame remains the same. तो जब उतना पैसा भी नहीं लगा रहे हो, एफर्ट डाल रहे हो, तो क्यों ना करो? ये बात सच्चाई है. अभी तो बीटेक वाले लोगों को 15,000 रुपए की भी जॉब नहीं मिलती है. तो आपको ये चीज समझना पड़ेगा कि इंटरनेट कैन गेट यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट टाइम फ्रेम तो उसमें लगाना पड़ेगा. एंड अगर हम बीटेक की पढ़ाई करने के बाद, रोज जॉब करने के बाद, इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद, लोन लेने के बाद भी 7 साल लगाने को रेडी हैं टू गेट टू दिस पॉइंट, देन व्हाई नॉट जस्ट क्रिएट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कंटेंट. अब अगर आप कंपैरिजन करो, रोज कॉलेज के लिए उठना, हॉस्टल में रुकना, पढ़ाई करना, जॉब के लिए जाना, एजुकेशन लोन रहना और एजुकेशन लोन को चुकाना, कंपेयर दैट विद कंटेंट क्रिएशन नाउ, एंड देन यू वुड रियलाइज कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन तो यार उसके सामने बहुत ज्यादा इजी काम है. आपको वैसे शायद लगेगा यार कंटेंट क्रिएशन इज डिफिकल्ट एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. कंपेयर इट विद योर अदर जर्नी, कंपेयर इट विद योर कॉलेज एजुकेशन जर्नी, नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्ट बीटेक, अबाउट एनी पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. इज इट easier, ladies and gentlemen? Do you agree? Type Y if you agree that it is much easier. तो जब हमको पता है, when we know that it is much easier, when we know that this is something that can be scaled, and you also know one more thing. If you are earning 2 lakh rupees today in your job, you cannot make it 4 lakhs in the next 3 months. Almost impossible. इतना ज्यादा हाइक तो नहीं मिल सकता ना, शायद 2 साल में भी नहीं कर सकते हो. But what we need to understand is, in your digital journey, you can make that shift. That's important. That's powerful. That's what you need to understand. समझ में आया? यही चीज है बॉस जो कि आपको अपने दिमाग में डालनी पड़ेगी और आपके पास रिजल्ट्स आएंगे फिर. नेक्स्ट इज दिस, गोइंग लाइव 1 in every 4 days. Live is go in every 4 days. वेरी ट्रू. शोएब ने एक सच्चाई बोली है यहाँ पे. He says, सर लोगों के एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ सर, 2 lakh in hand in 7 years is very rare. Very rare. Even in PSUs the growth is not that fast. When started with 80,000 first salary, I agree with. And 80,000 भी आपको 6 महीने के इंटर्न पीरियड के बाद मिलती है कि नहीं? That's what you need to understand. So live is 1 in every 4 days. Again, I am telling you the least. अगर आप इससे ज्यादा कर सकते हो with consistent, do it. But this is what we need to do. Next, let's talk about YouTube. Now, how many of you also know that YouTube also has a community section? YouTube also has a community section. Good. So in the community section, post your images daily. देखो, आप Instagram के लिए तो बनाओगे ही ना यार. आप Instagram के ऊपर तो कंटेंट बनाओगे, तो आप रोज की इमेजेस डालोगे. आप वो जो इमेजेस बनाओगे, वो इमेजेस को मिक्स एंड मैच करके YouTube के ऊपर डाल दो. You would as it is be creating content for Instagram, right? Mix and match that content and upload it on YouTube also. Do you need to put in more effort? No. Same post, just upload it on a different day. This would help you. Got it? Next is this. You got to make a video on YouTube. One video should go live on YouTube every third day. Every third day. Got it? And story is 1 in 1. Somebody also asked me, what about short? YouTube is not giving the same kind of reach to shorts as we are getting through reels. But yes, if you still want to do it, I would recommend you story 1 in 1, one story every single day, and shorts. This we can say 1 in 2. Okay, 1 in 2. Got it? I have also posted shorts videos. I will also post one today. In fact, अगर आप जाके अभी देखोगे, मेरे Instagram पे एक मेरा वीडियो है शॉर्ट्स का, जिसपे कि 1,31,000 फॉलोअर्स आए हैं. 1,31,000 फॉलोअर्स आए हैं. It's my number 5th video. Number 5th all-time viewed videos में आ गया है within a span of just 2 months. So it happens. But what I'm saying is, you are not getting the same kind of reach that you get on Reels right now. But maybe in the future it would. And yes, we have one enrolled member of ours, and that enrolled member of ours got 1.8 lakh views. 1.8 lakh views. His name is Shubham Khandelwal. Main account, brother, main account. Use the same account, हार्दिक, दूसरा नहीं बनाना है. तो अभी समझ में आया. यूट्यूब में आपका इमेज कम्युनिटी में 1-in-1, कम्युनिटी में जो आप इमेज डालेंगे, वीडियोस 1-in-3, stories 1-in-1, shorts 1-in-2. Is this clear, everyone? I hope you're noting it down. Good. Next is this. Let's talk about Facebook now. When you have to create content in Facebook. In a group, post content daily. One video daily. चाहे वो 1 मिनट से छोटा हो, चाहे वो 30 सेकेंड्स का हो, चाहे वो 3 मिनट का हो, आप जब इतना सारा कंटेंट और सारी जगहों पे क्रिएट करके डाल रहे हो, not the same content in a Facebook group also. Do you get that? So 1-in-1 for the group. Next, for your Facebook page as well as your personal Facebook page as well as your personal profile. Video 1-in-3 days. Image 1-in-1. You need to be in front of people, irrespective of how many views you are getting, how many likes you are getting, whether you're getting a lot of engagement or not. Again, you are creating content for the long-term basis. You are creating content so that you can get things done for a long-term basis. Do you get that? That's important. That's critical. एक मैं आप लोगों को मेरा एक और प्लान ऑफ एक्शन बता रहा हूँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक तो मैंने आप लोगों को बताई है दैट वी आर प्लानिंग टू, आई वोंट से प्लानिंग टू, वी विल गेट इट डन, आवर वेब सीरीज. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव अस अ लॉट ऑफ अटेंशन. प्लस हम लोग और भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ढूंढ रहे हैं जहां पे कि जाके बहुत ज्यादा विजिबिलिटी मुझे एकदम से मिल जाएगी, wherein we would get a lot of visibility all of a sudden, and that would automatically help all the content that we have created till now. So that's exactly what you're going to do. That's important. Somebody is like, how to make attention grabbing ads? Jack, see, again, your ads should be giving people some knowledge, should be giving people some information. Similarly, if people have been following you and if people have been consuming your content on a regular basis, then what's going to happen is they will also stop when they're going to see your videos in an advertisement, because they will be able to see them, because they would be able to recognize you. That recall would happen. That's exactly what you're going to understand. Got it? Good. Yes, you can. Somebody has asked me, can we post the same content on short video sharing platforms as well? Of course you can. Image means an image and post it. Something valuable, something helpful. That's what. Not your own face. That should also go in the middle. A photo with your family members also. वो भी आपको डालना चाहिए. That creates a personal connect with people. Got that? But this is how you need to create content for yourself. So I hope I have been answering all your queries. Web series, we will launch it on our own platforms. We will also get in touch. I don't know how to get it done, but I will get in touch with people. I will figure it out. देखो मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. मुझे नहीं पता एक वेब सीरीज को इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाने के लिए क्या करा जाना चाहिए, कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, बट आई विल गेट इट फिगर्ड आउट. आई विल गेट इट डन फॉर मी. दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू आल्सो डू फॉर योरसेल्फ. Next, stories 1-in-4. Again, 1-in-4. 1-in-4 hours, everybody. This is exactly what needs to be done by everybody. 1-in-4 hours. Stories. Note it down. Each one of you. Are we done? Everybody? No, I've already written personal profile. No, this is your, I told you that page and personal profile are the same. Page and personal profile is the same. Stories 1-in-4 hours. 1-in-4 hours. Of course, you won't put your content in the night, man. Come on. That's the key. दोनों चीजें, दोनों चीजें. Daily 3 stories? No, I would recommend you to post daily 5 stories also. See, 4 is the least. अगर आप 3 घंटे में भी स्टोरी डाल सकते हो, डाल दो. You get up in the morning, supposedly 9 a.m., 1, 5, 9, and then when you sleep around 11 a.m., 11 p.m., 1 more. That's what you got to do. Got that? Good. And people don't worry, ये जो पूरा ट्रेनिंग है along with the PDF, ये जो आपका 2 दिन का एक्सेस है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का, उसके अंदर ही इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. For sales masterclass people, it will be uploaded inside your personal branding and public speaking 18 hours of content. We will add it inside the same for you. Okay? Yeah. LinkedIn. Now, somebody has asked me about LinkedIn. Let me give you the LinkedIn also. As well as the PDF of this session would be given to you. So we will give you the video format as well as the PDF. Video 1 and 2, ladies and gentlemen. One video to be uploaded every second day. Listen to me. Yes, Neha, please do it. Please do it. If you have not yet created your LinkedIn content, kindly do that. Limit is less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. That's what you got to do. Can I share my quotes on LinkedIn? If you share your quotes on LinkedIn, you can do that. But along with that, write a long description. Have a long description as well. अगर description नहीं है तो फिर उसका कोई फायदा नहीं. Okay? You can do both, Simran. You can have short videos as well as long videos for your LinkedIn. But the maximum length is 10 minutes. Kamini says, what is the best time? Early morning and evening around 6 p.m. Early morning and evening around 6 p.m. That's the best time. But again, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि आप कंटेंट कैसे क्रिएट करो, वो आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. आपको रेगुलरली कंटेंट डालना है, वो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Got it? Good. Should we focus on all the platforms at the start? I am giving you the blueprint for all of them. Now it depends upon you how much you would be able to do, but I would recommend you to find out ways, figure out strategies so that you can get all of this done. And understand, see, your content is almost the same, right? Just the editing has to be a little different. The formatting has to be a little different. So when you are doing that, what you exactly need to do is just get in front of people. That's it. You got my point. If you have already created content for one particular platform, if you have already done the hard work, then why not multiply the same? उसके बाद अब तो आपको multiplication ही करना है ना content का आपका, और तो कोई भी चीज नहीं करनी है आपको. On LinkedIn, can we post our content on regional languages? You can try. You can try. I don't know. I haven't seen that. I haven't done that. But you can definitely try. You'll get to know. Again, see, some things we get to because of experience. अच्छा यार, मेरे को ना एक आप लोगों से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज पूछनी है अभी, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. Please give me a very genuine feedback. Okay, everybody. I want all of you to answer it. Ready? Everybody. Good. So you must be aware, I am so create communication boot camp. एक मैं communication boot camp भी बना रहा हूँ. मैंने उसका content already create कर दिया. It is in the editing period right now. अब आप मुझे एक बात बताओ. मैंने ये सोचा था कि communication boot camp I will give to people free of cost. But then last time when we gave people sales boot camp free of cost, I could see that the completion ratio of people who actually completed the entire program was very less compared to the other people who became a part of our paid programs. So my question to you is, do you think that for communication bootcamp, we can keep a very small fees, very little fees, something like 199, 299, very less? What do you think, all of you? Everybody agrees to that, right? नहीं रखना चाहिए free में, right? Okay, good. I know people take it for granted. देखो, आई नो कि हम उसको बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में भी कर सकते हैं, वेरी ट्रू. व्हेन पीपल पे दे पे अटेंशन, आई एग्री. एंड फ्री में नुकसान ये है कि यार अगर मैंने दिया, अंडरस्टैंड, इवन इफ आई गिव इट टू पीपल फॉर 199, आई डोंट मेक एनी मनी आउट ऑफ इट एक्चुअली. मतलब वो मेरा मॉनेटरी रेवेन्यू जनरेशन प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं रहेगा, बट एटलीस्ट ऑडियंस फिल्टर आउट हो जाएगी, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. नो, इट्स अ वेरी, इट्स ओनली फॉर 3 days एंड इट्स नॉट लाइव इंटरेक्शन. वो मेरा लाइव इंटरेक्शन नहीं है लोगों के साथ, जो वो रहेगा. And then once people become a part of it, then we will tell them to also become a part of our communication mastery program. That's important. I know लीड मैग्नेट के हिसाब से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट भी होना चाहिए, लेकिन यार हमारे बहुत ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज लगते हैं लोगों को देने के लिए कंटेंट. एक ये हेल्दी डिस्कशन है जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ कर रहा हूँ. हमारे बहुत ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज लगते हैं जब लोगों को कंटेंट देना होता है. ईमेल्स लगते हैं, मैसेजेस लगते हैं, एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे कि लोगों को कंटेंट हम अपना पुट करके लोगों को दिया जाता है, वो सारी चीजें. तो अगर आप ऐसा करके, आप तभी भी तो यू आर डूइंग इट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ओनली, नो, यू आर ओनली कवरिंग द कॉस्ट. I invested more than 25 lakh rupees, 25 lakh rupees to give bootcamp to people free of cost. And then it feels bad, no, when people don't go through the entire content. That's the reality. Good. All right. Okay. So I got your feedback. Now we'll get to know. एक बंदा बोल रहा है, सर इतना खर्चा कैसे हो जाता है? खर्चा कैसे नहीं होगा यार, आप लोगों को मेल्स करते हो रेगुलरली, आप लोगों को मैसेजेस करते हो, आप कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हो, आप कंटेंट को स्टोर करते हो, आपके टीम मेंबर्स उसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. हम लोगों ने वो एक्सेस 60,000 से ज्यादा लोगों को दिया था. आप सोच के देखो ना, हम लोगों ने जो वो एक्सेस था 65,000, इनफैक्ट शायद उससे ज्यादा भी हो गया था. अगर आप पर बंदे के ऊपर कुछ भी वो करोगे, कंटेंट में रखने का कुछ भी अमाउंट फिगर आउट करोगे, अगर आपका पर बंदे के ऊपर कोई भी अमाउंट आता है, तो भी आप कैलकुलेट करो, आपका इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, बहुत ज्यादा इजीली जाएगा. Even today, the messages that are being sent to you, the mailers that are being sent to you, everything costs money, right? That's what you need to understand. एंड उससे भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो है, जो आपको समझना पड़ेगा, उससे जो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है यार, आई एम गिविंग माई टाइम टू इट. द वैल्यू ऑफ माई टाइम इज मच मोर देन दैट 25 लाख रुपीज. समझ में आया आपको? वो जो वैल्यू है वो 25 लाख रुपीज से और बहुत ज्यादा है, क्योंकि उससे अगर वही टाइम में रेवेन्यू जनरेशन के लिए लगाऊं, सिर्फ रेवेन्यू जनरेशन के लिए, सो वी विल जनरेट मोर देन 25 lakhs, नो. जितना टाइम हम लोग कंटेंट क्रिएट करने में, कंटेंट को एडिट करने में, बाकी सारी चीजों में लगा रहे हैं. दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू रियलाइज. गुड. ओके, we'll figure that out. Thank you for your feedback, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Next, video is 1 and 2, images 1 and 1 for your LinkedIn. Okay, everybody. Next is WhatsApp status. People, one image every day, one image every single day. See, your WhatsApp status would be seen by people who know you. Your WhatsApp status would be visible to people who already know you, who are already aware about it. Got it? So 1 and 1. Next, link. Every day, at least one link should go on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp status. आपके इंस्टाग्राम वीडियो का, आपके यूट्यूब वीडियो का, आपके लिंक्डइन का, किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म का आपका एक पीस ऑफ कंटेंट का लिंक आपके व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पे जाना चाहिए, so that people can watch it, as well as a short video. One short video should go on a daily basis. इसका length होगा 15 seconds, 30 seconds approximately. That should go on a daily basis. That's what you got to do. One short video on daily basis. Extremely important. Muskan, I'm talking about sharing it on your story. I'm not saying to you that you send it as a spam to unknown people. अपनी story में डालना and as a spam डालने में बहुत ज़्यादा difference है दोनों चीज़ों. Got that? Good. Can we do a carousel post in WhatsApp status? Of course you can. Of course you can. बहुत engaging भी होगा लोगों का. एक image देखा फिर दूसरा देखने के लिए फिर तीसरा देखने के लिए. You can do that as well. That creativity you need to put in. That's very important. देखो अभी तो ये हमारी सारी बातें हो गई सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स के थ्रू. इसके थ्रू क्या होगा, आपका कंटेंट क्रिएट होगा. बट अभी सिर्फ कंटेंट क्रिएट हुआ है, अभी सिर्फ विजिबिलिटी आई है. विजिबिलिटी से एक और बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो कि आनी है हमारे पास. विजिबिलिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट देयर इज वन मोर थिंग that is going to be a little bit more important than even visibility. What do you think? पैसा तो अलग बात है यार. पैसा कैसे आएगा, एक बहुत जरूरी चीज है पैसा आने के लिए. Monetization I know, attention I know. See, one more thing that's very important is, come on, it is authority. Do you agree? Authority. जब तक authority नहीं आएगी, people are not going to take from you. People are not going to listen to you regularly. People are not going to buy from you regularly. Now, how do you get the authority of people? How do you get the authority so that you can get the trust of people? That is what is important. एक चीज और है, ये note down कर लो, take a screenshot. This is a platform by the name Social Blade. ये मैं आपको actually में live दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है? How many of you are aware about Social Blade? Anybody knows about Social Blade? Okay, so many of you are not aware about it. I'll share the link with you. I'll share my screen with you. New share, Google Chrome. All right. Now can you see my screen? Ladies and gentlemen, can you see my screen? Everybody? सोशल ब्लेड पे आप अपने कंटेंट के बारे में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. You will be able to get to know the analytics of people. You will be able to get to know how good your channel is, what kind of engagement you are getting on your channel. I'll give you an example. Okay, let's suppose we click Instagram. Let's include my Instagram handle. Okay, here is my, let's show you Gary Vee's Instagram handle. Okay, this is Gary Vaynerchuk. Let's click over here. This is Gary Vaynerchuk. See, total posts 6,336, total followers 8 million, 8.6 million. Look at the engagement ratio. How much is the engagement ratio? Everybody, engagement ratio is 1.19, right? Now somebody would say, in fact, all of you would say that Rahul no, it's 1.19. There's a very big difference between 1.9 and 1.19. 1.19 means that every time, whenever you post your content, approximately 1.2% people like or follow or consume your content. Got that? That is what this shows you. Average comments and everything, right? Now, I will show you something else right now. So this was for Gary Vaynerchuk. Next, let me show you mine. This is Raoul27, RAOOL27. You will be able to check all the analysis. So this is mine, okay? Total followers, 292,820. Engagement ratio is 1.7%. Average likes is around 5,000, 4,926. This is the average like that I get. And my total grade is B. And how many people are there on Instagram worldwide who have more followers than me? More than 110,000 people. This is good, right? This is not bad. Across the entire world where there are celebrities, actors, actresses, so many people are there. What you need to understand is that 110,000 मेरे से 1,10,000 लोग ज्यादा हैं जिनके इंस्टाग्राम पे मुझसे ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं, which is not bad. And the total grade is B. Naturally take this to B positive and A minus. That's important. Now my engagement ratio is 1.71%. No. It is not about more famous. I'll tell you. See, जब आपका इतना ज्यादा follower base बढ़ता है तो engagement ratio तो आपका थोड़ा बहुत हिलता ही है, वो तो एक चीज है. And the second thing is, I post my content very often. मैं इतना ज्यादा कंटेंट डालता हूँ, जैसे एक दिन में 3 कंटेंट डाल रहा हूँ, 4 कंटेंट डाल रहा हूँ. सेम इज विद गैरी वी. He also posts content on a daily basis, on a regular basis. So that's the reason why the engagement ratio is less. अगर आप 5 दिन में एक वीडियो डालोगे तो आपका पर पोस्ट पे लाइक तो बढ़ जाएगा ना, पर पोस्ट पे एंगेजमेंट तो बढ़ जाएगा ना, लेकिन आप उतना हेल्प थोड़ी ना कर पाओगे लोगों का. नाउ यू गेट दैट? यस. Is this clear with everybody? But okay, now you give me the name of, let's say, any celebrity or anybody. हाँ, जैसे शहनाज गिल का एक नया गाना आया था. शहनाज गिल का आप मेरे को वो बताना. विराट कोहली का आपको मेरे को लिंक बताना पड़ेगा. लिंक क्या है विराट कोहली का? ग्रैंड कार्डोन का मैंने चेक किया था. हियर इज ग्रैंड कार्डोन. ग्रैंड कार्डोन का काफी कम था एंगेजमेंट. His engagement was very less. It is only 0.7%. Only 0.7%. All right. People have given me for Virat Kohli, VIRAT.KOHLI. Here is for him. So his engagement ratio is 3%. 3%. Although, if you would see, no. Now I will show you something. Somebody has sent me the link of Shehnaaz Gill, okay? Shehnaaz Gill. What's her ID? Her ID is SHE. Okay, here is for Shehnaaz Gill. You will be surprised looking at her engagement ratio. Your mind would be blown away. Have a look at her engagement ratio. It is 11%. Average likes on her photos are 6,76,000. And in terms of followers, she has only 1,850 followers more than her on Instagram. Now, why do you think this is the case? See, she uploads one post every 3 days, every 4 days. That's the reason. कम followers नहीं है भाई, 6 million followers हैं. वो इसलिए क्योंकि फोटोज और वीडियोस बहुत कम डलते हैं. Got it? That's important. So this is what somebody has shown. प्रतीक का देख लेते हैं. Pratik Gandhi, who played the role of Harshad Mehta. His engagement ratio right now is 24%. Can you see? 24%. Hot property right now in the market. But what you need to understand is, जब आप रेगुलरली कंटेंट डालोगे, बट आप एक चीज ध्यान से देखो, his total grade is B, my total grade is B as well. समझ में आया आपको? This is what your total grade, how good your account is, how good your content is. And अगर आप एक बहुत बड़ी और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज नोटिस करोगे, the reason why his engagement is so terrific is because of this. You see, out of the total followers that he has, listen to me very carefully. Out of the total followers that he has, more than 50% of his followers have come in the last 1 month only. ध्यान से देखो, जितना जब से कि वो स्कैम 1992 हिट हुआ है, पिछले 30 डेज में 50% से ज्यादा उसके फॉलोअर्स आए हैं. It's in front of you. Can you see? Type yes if you can notice this. 3,71,000 followers out of the total followers that he has. That is one very important reason why he's getting so much of engagement. That's the most powerful thing. तभी मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, अब ये बंदा भी तो पिछले 15 सालों से मेहनत कर रहा था ना. आप इसका एंगेजमेंट देखते 2 महीना पहले, आई कैन गारंटी यू दिस एंगेजमेंट वुड हैव बीन लेस देन 2%. Less than 2%. Do you get that? Neha says, I just checked mine. My engagement is 10%. That's amazing, right? So you understand? That is so electrifying in a way. आपको अपना engagement ratio, जितना आपका लोग content देख रहे हैं, information देख रहे हैं, आपको वो सब मिल जाएगा. And here is Matt, here is Saurabh's. Saurabh's engagement ratio is 1.77%. He is a B minus. And he is very soon going to have 1 lakh followers also. Just a few followers remaining. Got it? चलो अब काम करें. Let's get back. भटनागर ब्रदर, अगर अभी आप देखो तो हमारा जो एंगेजमेंट रेशियो है वो तो गैरी वेनरचक से भी ज्यादा है. बट अगेन हिज रीच इज फिनोमिनल. सो जब आपकी इतनी ज्यादा रीच हो जाती है, आपके फॉलोअर्स भी कम होने, आपका एंगेजमेंट भी कम होने लग जाता है. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज इट्स आल्सो अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट दैट यू शेयर, राइट? आप जो म्यूजिक, अगर आप म्यूजिक वाला कंटेंट डाल रहे हो तो आपकी ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी एंगेजमेंट ज्यादा होने की. ये सब चीजों से बहुत ज्यादा इंपैक्ट पड़ता है, इन सब चीजों से बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. So what I would recommend to you is, of course, you should post more content on social media. See, your motive is not just likes and comments, right? Your motive is to create a solid impact in people's life. I mean, no offenses, right? But अगर आप compare करो Gary Vaynerchuk's impact versus Shanaz Gill's impact, so Gary is like way beyond everybody else, no? The kind of impact that he has created, the kind of companies that he has built, the revenue that he has generated. Revenue generation तो मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल पे. तो वो सब चीजें आपको देखना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. I don't mind an engagement ratio of 1.5%. If I post, I show you something today. अगर आप देखोगे, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनका engagement ratio आपको 0.4 या 0.5% दिखेगा बस. उसका रीजन है, अगर आप रोज इतना सारा कंटेंट डालेंगे तब. तनुजा मैडम, यू जस्ट गो ऑन सोशल ब्लेड, लुक फॉर द ऑप्शन. आप इंस्टाग्राम देखना चाहते हो, यूट्यूब देखना चाहते हो, एंड शेयर द लिंक, द यूजर आईडी, द यूजर नेम. ओके, या दैट्स हाउ यू गॉट टू डू इट. नेक्स्ट, taking feedback. Always take feedback from people. Listen to me very carefully. Always take feedback from people. Have a Google form, create a post, ask people about what sort of content of yours are they liking, what is it that they want you to change, what different sort of content do they want you to create. Please do that, because once you would create all those things, you would then realize that you are able to create content that people like. You will also get to know जिन पोस्ट में आपके ज्यादा लाइक्स आ रहे हैं, ज्यादा कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंच रहे हैं, वो वाला कंटेंट लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. सो यू नीड टू डू द सेम थिंग. Taking feedback from people is essential. Now, I guess social blade is only for creators account or business account, right? Next, let's talk about authority building now. So you know how to create content, you know how much content to create, you know how many pieces of content to be created on a daily basis. Now let us understand how do we create our authority for us, right? First is, let's talk about collaborations. When you talk about collaborations, I want you to do one collaboration every 15 days. Make it a priority for you. For the next 6 months, make and get one collaboration done in every 15 days. This means 12 collaborations in the next 6 months. Okay? 12 collabs in the next 6 months with fellow creators. For example, Pallavi, you did a collaboration yesterday, right? When you were going live with Rohan. So your followers must have increased after that live interaction. Did that happen, Pallavi, yesterday? When you went live with Rohan, your followers must have increased, right? The reason why that happens is because collaborations means that you are creating content with some other person. आप किसी और के संग content create कर रहे हो. जैसे हमने collab करा था हिमेश मदान के संग वैसा. How to ask people for collaboration? How to find? Come on, Abhishek, man. You can't find people for collaboration on internet. Is that what you are telling me? Tell people that I have a set of audience, you have a set of audience. Let's collaborate together so that we would be able to get more people to connect with us. So you would also be able to, again, this will build your authority and you will also get some warm audience to know about you. So one collaboration every 15 days. Next, PR. PR, public relations of yours. You got to get one PR done in the next 45 days. One PR every 45 days. So there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of social media pages, Instagram pages, who would like to feature you, who would like to create content for you, who would like to have you highlighted over there. They might ask for a fees for it. Do it. 100%. PR is important. With PR, you get a lot of authority, you'll get a lot of credibility. That is exactly what you got to do. Ensure that you are getting PR done for yourself. For example, there's a newspaper. So you reach out to that newspaper, you tell them about some good work that you have done. And when you will tell them about some good work that you have done, tell them that I want you to post my good work on your newspaper, the digital format. Tell me what is your fees. So then they will tell you the fees and you will be able to get the PR done for yourself. That's exactly how it's going to work for you. समझ में आया आपको? That's what is very important. Yes, so you can check the credentials of an Instagram page, the credentials of a particular platform, and then you would be able to realize whether I should do it or I should not do it. समझ में आया? That is how the PR is done. Right. PR is public relations. Public relations. That's what your PR stands for. हर जगह पे दिखना जरूरी है. That's what I say, right? Yatra tatra sarvatra. Here, there, everywhere. Figure out that you're being seen here, you're being seen there, you're being seen everywhere. Public relations, your PR is extremely important. I'll ask you a question right now. You click on the explore section on your Instagram. You see a lot of celebrities over there, right? How many of you have noticed? Since the past few months, you get to see a lot of Noora Fatehi on the internet. Have you noticed that? Primarily on Instagram, you get to see a lot of content all the time. How do you think that's possible? See, in unison, so many of you have said yes. So many of you have said yes over here. Have you thought why that's possible? Because of new songs? Why are others' new songs not covered? Why is it that only her new songs are covered? Because there's a PR agency working behind it. They collaborate with these pages. These pages post photos and images about her. You look at her photo, you look at that photo for a few seconds, and then you get to see more content about her. So a lot of PR is being done. Do you think, ladies and gentlemen, that it is a mere coincidence that when a new movie is going to be released on the internet, you see so much more content about that movie? Do you think it is mere coincidence? It's not a coincidence. It's all paid. Of course, it's all paid. You got to do it. आप 100 करोड़ रुपए लगा के एक मूवी बना रहे हो, तो आप 10 करोड़ रुपए लगा के उस मूवी का प्रचार क्यों नहीं करोगे? आप अगर 5,000 रुपए लगा के एक कोर्स क्रिएट कर रहे हो, एक कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हो, एक प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हो, तो आप 500 रुपए लगा के उसका प्रचार क्यों नहीं करोगे? If you are creating a product and you are spending 50,000 rupees, why will you not invest 5,000 rupees on promoting that product? It's as simple as that. You get my point? That's what you got to do. And that's what PR is going to work for you. PR is crazy. PR will get you amazing results. Public relations, getting more visibility, getting in front of more people. That is what you got to do. So 1 in 45. Even if that requires you to invest some money, do it. Do it so that you can generate some traffic onto your website. Got that? Next, content platforms. Now, what are content platforms? Give me an example about content platforms. Josh Talks is one content platform. Your Story is one content platform. TEDx is one content platform, right? All these platforms that you see, they are all content platforms. Now, they will not take money from you, by the way. They will not take money from you. You need to write to them, write an email to them, share your story. Because see, what do the content platforms need the most? What do the content platforms need the most? Come on, everyone. They need content, right? They need content. They first need good content. When they would get the content, that would work for them. Good. So you reach out to them. You tell them about your story. You tell them about the work that you have done. And these are the prominent ones. There are so many more that are not that prominent. Like one news website has been following up on me to feature me, to do a video for them. I'll do it. I don't know. In some time. The name of that is Eat My News. That's what you got to do. Sir, how can I apply for Josh Talk? I applied for TEDx Talk 5 days back. Go to the Josh Talks website, find out an email ID, reach out to them. Message them on Instagram, message them on Facebook, message them on LinkedIn. Tell them about your story. Your story should have something that should appeal to them. Maybe you don't have that right now, but reach out करने में क्या जाता है? ना ही तो होगा ना. Till the time you never ask, the answer is always going to be no. Maybe you get a yes when you ask people. समझ में आया आपको? भाइयों और बहनों, जो आपका कंटेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है उनके पास तक रीच आउट करिए. अत्यंत आवश्यक है. हो सकता है आपको एक कंटेंट प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाए, हो सकता है उस कंटेंट प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से आपके पास एक बहुत ज्यादा रीच बढ़ जाए, आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी आ जाए. माय visibility just skyrocketed after I got featured on Josh Talks. That happened in February 2019. I guess, yes, that is when I got featured on the platform. So many people started knowing me. If you would look at all my Josh Talks combined, I guess we have got about 70 lakh views, which is a very big number, right? 70 lakh views. That's what it got us. I also know you by that. So you see, they reached out to Saurabh. Saurabh told me about them, and that's what you got to do it. One more thing you mentioned, connect with people through LinkedIn, of course, and then it's all about getting in touch with them. That's important. The next thing is that you got to do selling. 90 days from now, each and every one of you should sell. एक बंदा कह रहा है सर डायलॉग बोल के बताओ ना सर. ओके, डायलॉग बोल के बताते हैं आपको. थोड़ा मेरे को मेरे जोन में आने दो ना डायलॉग वाले. ओह यस. बचपन से हमने यही सुना था कि पैसे क्या पेड़ पे लगते हैं. एक बात तो है, पेड़ तो हम लगाएंगे. तरक्की का पेड़, सक्सेस का पेड़, लोगों की जिंदगी बदलने वाला पेड़. और उस पेड़ पे हम इतनी सक्सेस स्टोरीज क्रिएट करेंगे कि लोग गिनते गिनते थक जाएंगे, लेकिन सक्सेस स्टोरीज खत्म नहीं होंगी. पेड़ तो हम लगाएंगे. शुक्रिया. देखो मतलब एक्टिंग तो अपने अंदर दौड़ती है ना, करनी चाहिए ना एक्टिंग तो हमको. हाँ, ये डायलॉग वेब सीरीज में तो पक्का होगा यार. 100% वेब सीरीज में तो पक्का डालेंगे वाला डायलॉग. किससे तुम्हारे, करो करो काम करो यार. आपको इससे ज्यादा अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है? घूमो फिरो, अच्छी अच्छी जगह जाओ, वीडियो बनाओ, अटेंशन लो, पैसे कमाओ, लोगों की लाइफ में परिवर्तन लेकर आओ. कितना सही है. सोचो, ये कौन सा गाना है? ये काफिराना वाला गाना था. चलो कुछ कुछ करते हैं ना, उसके बाद गाना गाएंगे फिर हम, है ना? अभी आगे चलते हैं. selling, each one of you, 90 days from now, I want all of you to be selling something or the other. And again, all of you don't need to create your own courses. You don't need to create your own programs. You need to create anything of wherein till the time you don't become a subject matter expert, you don't need to create a content-based program of yours. Please don't do it. You get that? Don't do it. And the reason why you got to do that, the reason why you got to understand is, जब तक आपके पास subject matter expertise नहीं आ जाता है, आप अभी content create करने वाले नहीं बने हैं. आपको जो चीज अभी figure out करनी है वो ये कि आपको अभी knowledge, कुछ भी और सेल करो, किसी का प्रोडक्ट सेल कर दो, अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के थ्रू सेल कर दो, इंटरैक्शन करके सेल कर दो, whatever you want, but figure it out that you should be selling something or the other. And once you get that done, you would be able to create more chances for yourself. ये आपको देखना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. That internship would also help you earn money. But रेवेन्यू जनरेशन होना बहुत ज्यादा एसेंशियल है. जब तक रेवेन्यू जनरेशन नहीं होगा तब तक कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. So 9 days from now, each one of you should be selling something or the other. By the way, if you feel that I'm not yet ready, take more time, but have a specific plan of action. Till the time you don't have your specific plan of action, it won't work for you. It won't create results for you. Do you get that? Consulting facilities sell कर सकते हैं? Of course कर सकते हो, बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. क्यों नहीं करोगे? If you are good at it, you can do it. That's what you got to realize. Yes, you can promote your lead magnet from today only. Why not? All right. So selling has to be done. So I gave you the content creation strategies for the next 6 months, for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your LinkedIn, for your YouTube, for your Facebook pages, personal profile, as well as the groups. Then I also told you how to reach out to content creation websites, how to reach out to content creating content. Eat My News is a platform that wants to feature me. So you can reach out to such platforms as well. On the internet, you can have so many platforms that would feature you once you reach out to them. Next is, I told you how to do collaborations, how to do PR, how to create, become a part of content platforms as well, and then selling. एक चीज और है जो कि हमने अभी प्लान करा है आपके लिए, वो ये that what I want all of you to do is plan that in the next 3 months, you will also have a website for yourself. You need to get the website done for you. And then on your website, there's that option of Google Analytics. It is free of cost, by the way. Okay, free of cost. Send them an email, Abbas. Send them an email. They will surely consider you. Got it? So there's the Google Analytics option. Once you have created your website, you will get to know how much traffic is coming, where all the traffic is coming on your website. Everything would be given to you free of cost. It's available over there. So create your website, from your content, drive traffic to your website so that you are able to figure out how many people are consuming your content or your information. Got it? Right. Thank you so much, Shashi. This means a lot. This means a lot. Shashi says, instead of only giving us the blueprint, you are giving us so much knowledge again. Thank you. I love that. Next, let's talk about public speaking. First of all, figure out what is going to be your best deliverables. What is going to be the best deliverables for you? That's very important. Okay, on public speaking, let me share a brilliant idea with each one of you. You are going to love that, okay? What we are going to do is, I'm announcing it for the very first time to the public. Very first time. Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents online public speaking championship. So this is what we are going to do. Communication Mastery by Rahul Bhatnagar presents online public speaking championship, wherein 50 of you, 50 of you, I'm not just talking about you, all the people from my Communication Mastery camp, 50 of you would also be in my panel, right? You would be in my panel based upon your performance, based upon your skill sets. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a contest on the internet wherein the person who wins the contest will be given a cash prize of rupees 50,000. Sounds good? That person who's going to win it will be given a cash prize of rupees 50,000. ऑनलाइन पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कॉन्टेस्ट आपको अपने वीडियोस बना के इंटरनेट के ऊपर डालने हैं. आपके वीडियोस के बेसिस पे आप शॉर्टलिस्ट होंगे. जो 100 लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट होंगे उनके लिए मैं एक और स्पेशल सेशन करूंगा. आई विल गाइड यू, आई विल ट्रेन यू इन दैट सेशन. देन अगेन post your content online. Again 50 people would be shortlisted. Out of those 50 people, 10 people would be shortlisted. Then the event would go live. It would be watched by thousands of people online, and then we will have one winner. That's what my plan of action is. And I expect thousands of people to be a part of this contest. Amazing, right? When we have got such a good reach, why not use it for a very good purpose? Why not give the opportunity to people? That's exactly what we're going to do. That's the power. Now, again, I want to ask you a question for this. Okay. Because this is again one more action plan of mine, which I'm definitely going to implement. देखो, अब आप मुझे बताओ, इसके लिए we were again thinking as to, for this particular thing, should we do it free of cost or should we have a very minimum entry fees like 49 rupees, 99 rupees, so that again we get some interested people only. Everybody wants us to have an entry fees. This is nice. This is nice. Good. One person said free. Add entry fee. Okay, so we will have a fees. है ना, एक एंट्री फीस 100 रुपीज इज लाइक डिसेंट, राइट? सो दैट उससे थोड़ा सा फिल्टर हो जाएगी, हमारे पास एक अच्छी ऑडियंस आ रही है. गुड. आई नो 99-100 rupees anybody and everybody can do, right? And you know what also happens is then people also put in a little bit of difference. No, I don't want it to high because I want the opportunity to give to everybody. I want the opportunity to be given to everybody. That's the case. So how do you like the idea? Online public speaking championship. It's a great idea, right? First of its kind. We'll do that. And I know there will be, that will decide Aditi. Final 10 will be given the topic at that time only or later on. All that I'll figure out. हिंदी में भी चलेगा, वो भी हम figure out करेंगे. अब देखो मेरा कैसे रहता है ना, what I will do is I will plan everything, I will set everything, then for one day I will go to a resort. That is like my thinking time. I'll go to a resort, my thinking time, plan, and then we'll implement everything. So I'll go alone and then we implement everything. You also need to take out some time for yourself. Your mind needs to be free. This is what gets you results. This is what gets you revenue. समझ में आया? And I want all of you to compete in it. I want all of you to complete. I don't know, some resort here in Goa only. अब आप गोवा में रह रहे हो तो रिजॉर्ट्स की तो कमी है ही नहीं ना यहाँ पे यार. Thank you. We will give you a list of topics. आपको हम टॉपिक्स की लिस्ट देंगे, उसमें से आप एक वीडियो पे टॉपिक बनाएंगे, फिर एक टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाएंगे. फिर I'll tell you everything. Don't worry. Now, let's talk about this. I've never, not yet revealed to anybody. Even my mind does not know it right now. हमने कल परसों ही मैंने प्लान ऑफ एक्शन करा था, डिसाइड करा था, प्लान ऑफ एक्शन में बना रहा था. Now I've shared it with you, so we'll do it for sure. Next, figure out your best deliverables for public speaking. Once you have figured out your best deliverables for public speaking, then you would be able to reach out. The next thing that you got to do is make a list of 500 institutes, colleges, platforms, people, Facebook groups wherein you want to speak. 500. All of you. Make a list of these things. Okay. Each and every one of you, everybody. 500. That's what you got to do. And once you do that, what you would also realize because of that is, now that you have created a list, then you would be able to reach out. And all these things, schools, colleges, institutes, Facebook pages, groups, communities, 500 of them. You need to have all this content available for them. Name, location, contact number, email address, concerned person, and what value would you be able to add? Name, location, contact number, email address, and what value will you be able to add? Okay, 2 people have asked me about the deliverables. I'll talk about the deliverables. This means what is the one thing that you are good at? No, what you would speak about. Your niche, it's similar to your personal brand. जो आप पर्सनल ब्रांड में कंटेंट देते हो वही आपके सेशंस में भी होना चाहिए. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का मतलब सिर्फ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग सिखाना थोड़ी ना होता है. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का मतलब होता है कि जो भी आपकी नॉलेज है आप उस नॉलेज को लोगों को दे रहे हो. Do you know that? When I speak up on sales and I speak to hundreds of people, that is the meaning of public speaking. Do you agree? Yes or no? When we do our digital event wherein hundreds and thousands of people come, that's a way of doing public speaking. Public speaking does not mean that you teach people how to do public speaking. It means that you are talking to a group of people upon any particular given topic that you are good at. So figure out the deliverables that you would be sharing with people. And that's why having your niche, that's why identifying your niche is so very important. You identify your niche, you get those things done for you, and you then automatically create all those opportunities for yourself. तो वो figure out होना आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. अब एक चीज और है, किसको लगता है सर 500 तो बहुत बड़ी लिस्ट है, कि 500 तो बहुत ज्यादा लोग हैं, हाउ विल आई बी एबल टू गेट 500 पीपल? हु थिंक्स अबाउट दैट? कम ऑन, बी ऑनेस्ट. मेरे को भी 500 की लिस्ट बनानी पड़ेगी. मैं बोलूंगा नहीं यार 500 तो बहुत ज्यादा लोग होते हैं. आई नो, स्टार्ट विद 1, go to 2, increase that to 3, then go to 10, then 50, then 100. Gradually we can do it, that right? Everything is done gradually. We don't do it just at one go. ऑनलाइन ही करना है आपको, ऑनलाइन ही रीच आउट करना है आपके पास, आपको सबके पास तक. That's what you got to do. Got it? And then this is the kind of content that you need to have. This is the kind of information that you need to have about them. And by the way, I have also given you the email sequence कि आपको पहले मेल में क्या भेजना है, दूसरे में क्या, तीसरे में क्या, चौथे में क्या, पांचवें में क्या, वो सारा मैंने आपको क्रिएट करके दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. You know that, right? What content you need to share with people, what sort of mail you need to send to people. What I am looking at is 4 assignments per month. 4 assignments per month is what you got to do. And by the way, do you understand that your personal brand will support you getting more assignments? Your personal brand will help you get more assignments. Your personal brand will actually get you more assignments because people would know, people would see your online presence. And based upon that, more chances and more opportunities would come to you. If you agree with that, type yes. Come on, everybody. Your personal brand will support your content. Good. Right. Like I'm getting a lot of opportunities for you. And by the way, come on, people. I don't get paid by this. I don't get paid by this, right? But you can become a part of Toastmasters International. देखो, COVID-19 को अपने favor में use करो ना. Use COVID-19 as for your own self, for your favor. How? Because of COVID-19, all the Toastmasters meetings are happening online. Join an online group. Join an online group. Do you understand? And because of that, you can join the meetings of any platform. Sorry, you can join the meetings of any group of Toastmasters. Just send them an email, tell them I want to join your meeting this week and I want to deliver a speech. So what you can also do is you can deliver up to 10 speeches every month. That's so powerful. Simran says, sir, 2 people had approached me to make videos for them because of my podcast and Insta profile. That's so amazing. आप सोचो, this 2 will get converted into 20 and will then get converted into 200 and will then get converted into 2000. That's what you got to do. Something like Toastmasters International. Somebody gave the example of JCI also. I don't know what's JCI. You can figure out. And there are also other opportunities like that. There are also other platforms like these online. Become a part of it. Ask them for speaking assignments and you can get it done for you. Do you agree? Do you understand? How much do they charge initially? It's like nothing. 500, 700 rupees per month. By the way, that's expensive than communication mastery, right? That is expensive than communication mastery. That is how cheap we have kept communication mastery to be. That's like only a forum wherein you get the chance to speak. Not a lot of teaching is there. अपन तो आपको पकड़ के बिठा के समझा के बुझा के क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्यों नहीं करना है, क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, सब कुछ हमने आपको दे दिया उसमें. Always record your sessions, ladies and gentlemen. Each and every session that you have, you need to record them, all of them, and then use them as your content online. All the speeches that you are giving online, all the information that you are giving online, what you got to do is upload all of that on the internet. Use mini clippings from that. Use mini clippings from your sessions. Upload it. Ladies and gentlemen, there is abundance on this planet. There is so much that is available on this planet. You just need to be a receiver and get everything for yourself. Create those opportunities for yourself. आपके सामने सब कुछ है, आपका फोन है, आपके पास सारी चीजें हैं, इंटरनेट आपके पास अवेलेबल है, मेल करना आपके हाथ में है, रीच आउट करना आपके हाथ में है. just don't give up. If you're not ready to give up, nobody can defeat you, nobody can actually put you out of work. You just need to do and focus on one thing, that is reaching out to people on a regular basis, and that is it, and you win. Plain and simple. Got that? Use the speaking assignments of yourself online. First few of them free of cost, and then 90 days from now you should also be monetizing your paid content. Listen to me very carefully. 90 days from now you should be monetizing your content. That means you should also be looking for paid assignments for your public speaking. Paid public speaking assignments. Have weekly goals as well as monthly goals, ladies and gentlemen. जितना भी आपने कंटेंट क्रिएट करा है, जितनी भी आपने इंफॉर्मेशन बनाई है, जो भी सारी चीजें आपके पास हैं, reach out to people. That's what is going to work for you. But again, your personal brand is going to be very important for you to get money for you. By the way, if you don't get paid assignments after 3 months, start doing more. Start doing more. आप करोगे, रेवेन्यू आएगा, रिजल्ट्स आएंगे, आप बहुत सारे लोगों के सामने जाएंगे, स्ट्रैटेजिकली जाएंगे, कंटेंट क्रिएट करके जाएंगे, अपना ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस बना के जाओगे, रेवेन्यू जनरेशन वुड ऑटोमेटिकली हैपन. Have your weekly goals. This week I want to reach out to these many people. I want to create this much of content. I want to upload these many videos. I want to get 2 public speaking assignments. I want 1 collaboration to be done. I want to reach out to these many followers. I want my follower base to reach up to this point. And then you figure out what all I need to do so that I can get up to these many followers. That's exactly what you got to do. And I guarantee you it is possible. Each and everything that you think, dream, plan, execute under the right guidance will come true for you. Got that? And then have your monthly goals. Break down your goals. Have your 6 months plan, then your monthly plan, then your weekly plan, then your daily plan. And every day put a tick mark. Okay, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this. Do it for 7 days and then you can make it a habit. Come on, do it for 7 days and then you will make it a habit. I guarantee it will just come into your system. And I am there to push you as it is. Every week we do the live sessions for you inside our communication mastery program. Every day you are given a new topic to create content upon. Content is what is going to get you ahead. But just like I've told you at the beginning of this session, I will reiterate it one more time. Content creation without monetization is of no use. Understand that. Monetization should definitely happen. The PDF of today's session along with the replay of today's session will be added to your access. All right, we'll do it today. We'll get it done today for you.